Whoa, look at that.
What?
Unlevered.
Oh, yeah.
Dang.
I'm gonna switch sides. Then we'll switch back, 'cause I think someone's coming on. I heard someone with keys walking.
Wow.
This interior looks so similar to the Arrowhead Macy's. Except the one at Arrowhead's a Montgomery Vector. I forgot to switch sides again. Because I think someone's coming on.
Oh, you go left?
Okay.
Oh no, we're not getting off.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, go up? Okay. Let's get off at 2.
Yeah.
You can see the shaft moving
Yeah,
there.
you can see it. It's kind of funny.
Okay, let's get off here.
Yeah, they got the shaft lights on. Yeah.
There it goes. And that's it.